Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to achieve this look. It's a nurse kind of inspired, Yami Kawaii kind of look, and I hope you guys give it a try for yourselves, and let's get on to it. I already have my foundation on, and I'm starting out with a pearlescent eyelid primer and applying that all over my upper and lower eyelids. I'm now applying this red eyeshadow to my crease and my outer corner of my eye. I'm deepening that previous color with this reddish pink, which is a pressed pigment and has a lot more color to it. I'm now using my fingertip to apply Love Story to my upper eyelid. This is a reddish shimmer color, and it's very flattering and matches the other colors well. I'm now applying Love Story to my lower eyelid, staying within the inner half to keep that bright look. I'm now using a fluffy brush and applying Go Girl under my eyes, creating a very deep pink flush. I'm mimicking the shape of eye bags to create a much kind of creepier look. I'm also using the color to contour my brow bone to kind of give my eyes a little bit more of a close set look. Now I'm going back into that first red, and I'm going to deepen the color around my eyes a lot more to give them a lot more emphasis. And like earlier, I'm using that reddish pink to make the color even more intense. With the shade Regal, I'm going to start to deepen my sockets. I'm deepening the outer corner of my eyes even more with the shade Enigma, which is a dark blue color. Finally, I'm shading the inner corner of my eyes with this shimmery white eyeshadow. I'm using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk to line my waterline. I'm using a sharpened black eye pencil to line my eyes. I'm going along the lash line, starting near the inner corner and going out to the edge and creating a short wing at the end that swoops downwards, following that up with some fake eyelashes that I draw on. That's just part of my style. And now I'm applying a decent coat of Wet n Wild's Megawear mascara to my upper and lower eyelashes. Now using the red eyeshadow from before and filling in my eyebrows with them in a very straight and natural shape, as I typically do. I'm finishing off my brows by applying a red mascara as a brow mascara. I'm now dusting on a generous amount of this Too Faced blush to my cheeks. It's in an orangish shade and it kind of balances out all the pink from before. Of course, I'm applying it to my nose as well. I'm highlighting my cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow with this beautiful highlighter from Physicians Formula. I absolutely love how it looks. And now I'm finishing almost everything off with my lips, applying this light pink shimmery lipstick to them and following up with the red lips gloss and applying that near the center of my lips. And now I'm all done. Well, that was the tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and comment if you feel like you have anything to say, really. And of course, if you give this look a try, tag me on Instagram at CandyPhoneCosplay or at FawnPhone. Those are both my accounts. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. I probably said that already. And that's all. So, bye.